my God. Coco. Great. You're never gonna know if it's that good or bad, huh? I'm getting nauseous. Okay, I need my shoe because you're gonna break it.
It's too late for that.
You're not getting it.
Got it.
Oh, really? It's my shoe. It's my shoe. Yeah.
Here. Oh, he just.
Vicky! What's the matter with
He
you?
just punched me in the throat.
Wrong way.
Oh, he actually did it.
Yeah, put this on YouTube.
I what?
Put this on YouTube.
Yeah, or Facebook.
Or send me the video and I'll put it on YouTube.
It's better at home. We believe to make it great, you should switch to
Say hi.
and you could save your
Coco.
$1,000 a year. Now you can win
Where'd it go? Wait. Hey, puppy. Oh, my Coco.
What do you mean you're moving out? Why? There doesn't have to be a reason. Yeah, the brightness settings on the television? No. Did you take a Band-Aid off in front of it? No. Did you buy generic ketchup, forget to rinse the sink, walk into the bathroom door?